Hey Hallie, this is Mrs. Skoglund, just giving a little bit of feedback on your summer assignment. We're mostly going to talk through Chapter 3, the question that you starred, but I'll kind of reference some other things as we go as well. So starting off, I look at your topic sentence, which should be this first sentence that really answers the question that was provided to you in the prompt. And I think you did answer the question, Hallie, but as you can see, like it took 3 sentences to do that. And so typically with a topic sentence, we want that to be pretty concise. So I'd like to see you just kind of answer the question a little more quickly and then get into the rest of your paragraph. Kind of at the end of your paragraph, to mirror the topic sentence, I look for a concluding sentence that sort of ties everything back together. And I noticed in this paragraph you didn't seem to have one, and then even in some other paragraphs it was just unclear to me what exactly the concluding sentence was. So make sure that it's really clear, just kind of a restatement of what that question and the answer was. Next, I looked at your evidence, and I think that you did a pretty good job selecting evidence, especially in this paragraph. I like how you had one quote on IQ and then one on EQ. I thought that was a good way to talk about, the differences. The problem, Hallie, and something we'll work on this semester is you are just kind of dropping these quotes in, which means the quote is just kind of hanging out as a sentence on its own. Because this is your writing, we actually want you to integrate the quote into that writing, even if it's just something as simple as Daniel Pink explains, IQ can influence, blah, blah, blah. And we'll be talking about that over the next few weeks, so definitely just kind of pay attention and make sure you're doing that, okay? In-text citations looked good. And then sort of the last thing I looked at other than conventions was commentary, and I think I forgot to mark that. But I think your commentary is on the right track, Hallie. You're not just summarizing the quote. But there were times where I wanted a little bit more. So for example, you say research by Goldman and the Hay Group found that the most effective leaders were funny. And then you said basically people want employees to have a high EQ and IQ. I think that's true, but I want you to work a little bit more with that quote. Why did you pick that quote to explain what EQ is? Why does it matter nowadays that leaders are funny? Okay, so just do a little bit more work with the quotes themselves, and I noticed that a couple times in a few different paragraphs. Our directed thinking, I think you did a nice job on that. I really liked your interview with your mom, and especially as she's a teacher, I thought that was really interesting, and hope you found that valuable to talk to her about the book. All right, so just a little bit of feedback for you.